Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. Well, and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. Finally, we have a closing, yesterday's closing on $38,137. That is below than the support of $39,500 and the support of this rising wedge pattern as well. And today we are confirming this breakdown. And in today's video, we will take a look whether the Bitcoin will be moved more down from here, or is there any possibility that the price line will re-enter inside this rising wedge pattern once again. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me to show you this daily time frame chart. And here we can see that we have broken out this very big long channel, a down channel. Then we were stuck in this rising wedge pattern, and finally we have broken down the support of this rising wedge. The first step to the breakdown is already happened. That is, we have the yesterday's closing. Even though we had a nice pump yesterday, we were re-entered in this rising wedge pattern, but again we dumped back and we had a closing below than this support. And now we are confirming the breakdown. That is the second step towards the breakdown. If it will be rejected from here, and then in that situation we can move more down, and the next support, the next major support on the daily time frame will be here at $33,000, and from $33,000 to $28,000, $28,600 is a very strong support zone. And you can see whenever the price line is entering in this zone, bulls are buying here, and we are having a very big and nice rallies whenever the price line is entering here. So far we have confirmed the first step to the breakdown, that we have the closing below than this level. But if we again take a look at the stochastic and RSI, then oscillators are still not supporting this breakdown. We can see that we have a low here by the price line, and another low is lower than previous low. But if we take a look at the both oscillators, like, let me to show you the stochastic is forming higher low than previous low, and if we take a look at the RSI, it is forming higher low than previous low. So there is already a bullish divergence on this chart that is not supporting this breakdown. The oscillators should form another low than previous low, like the price line is forming. Let me show you from the previous drop. When we had this drop, we can see the price line formed this low here, and after this rejection, the price line dropped here and formed another low that was lower than previous low. And RSI also formed another low than previous low, and stochastic also formed other low than previous low, and we had a big drop up to here. And the next low was lower than previous one by the price line. But if we take a look at the stochastic, it was forming higher low than previous low. And if we watch the RSI as well, it was also moving up and forming higher low than previous low. And eventually what has happened, that the price line rallied well up to this resistance, then we had the rejection and the price line moved down again. And we can see that the stochastic also formed another lower than previous low, and RSI also formed another lower than previous low, and the price line also formed another low than previous low. Then again, we can see that here price line formed this low, another low was lower than previous low, and if we watch stochastic, it was forming higher low than previous low. And if we watch RSI, then RSI was not doing that, but the stochastic was showing that bullish divergence here. And eventually price line followed the bullish divergence, and we can see finally we broke out the resistance of this channel. We had very nice rally up to $45,850, and then we again rejected. Now if we take a look at the current situation, both oscillators are showing bullish divergence. RSI, the price line is setting a new low than previous low, but if we take a look at the stochastic, forming higher low than previous low, and even the RSI is also forming a higher low than previous low. So unless the stochastic also not form a lower than previous low, then this bullish divergence is still on the charts, and we can expect that there can be a price reversal from here. And not only the price line can re-enter this wedge, it can also reach the resistance of this wedge here, that will be approximately at $49,600, because previously whenever the bullish divergence is getting appeared on this chart that we are watching, the price line is following this bullish divergence, and this time we have double bullish divergence on this chart. It is possible that soon if the trend will be totally bearish and we will have a more sell-off, then the oscillators would also follow the price line, and this bullish divergence would be disappeared from the charts. But still, this bullish divergence is on these charts, and we cannot ignore these bullish divergences. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.